Uyghurs people are suffering a lot. It is not new. And since the occupation 1949, Uyghurs all right, inclusive political, cultural, economic, religious, all has been continued violated by the Chinese Communist Party. I'm living in a free country. I live in Germany, but if I saw such a huge pressure to the Uyghur people, my nation, I cannot stay silently, and I cannot enjoy my life without do anything for my people. Since the 2 years, Chinese government put more than 1 million Uyghurs, maybe possibly 3 million Uyghur, puts the 21st century concentration camp, and we cannot contact the family member. It is the all human responsibility to help to the Uyghur issue. World Uyghur Congress mostly works bring the Uyghurs and the Kazakh, some other ethnic minorities case to the international level. And we are working on United Nations, for example, particularly United Nations Human Rights Council and the European institution, European Parliament, European Council, and there is also international NGOs. The other work of the World Uyghur Congress, we are training for the Uyghur young generation, international law and the human rights advocacy work, and we are also working support to Uyghurs refugees case, because refugees crisis is one of the most important problem of the Uyghur diaspora. We need the democratic society, whole the world should be broken silence and should be take concrete actions to stop this violence against Uyghurs and Tibet and other people. We know most of some countries today just thinking about the economic benefit between China. That's why most of the time human rights is less interest than economic interest. But this award is very proud. We receive this democracy award by the NED. We have very different of very important, meaningful of this award for us. Because the Chinese government since the beginning blame all the Uyghur activism, Uyghurs movement, particularly World Uyghur Congress, terrorism or separatism, and trying to block activism internationally, and trying to push us to silence and stop the international support to the Uyghur cause. It is the big answer for the Chinese government's blame to the Uyghur movement, particularly World Uyghur Congress. I might personally as well, because Chinese government puts my name on the blacklist, terrorist list, and I was suffering more than 20 years. This award also brings some credibility and some trust among some Uyghur people to the World Uyghur Congress. It is big moral support and encourage all the leadership of the World Uyghur Congress to continue working.